how to build landing page in HubSpot. So first go to HubSpot, and then you can just hover your mouse over this one, this content here, content icon, and then you can just click on landing pages. Okay, now from here you can just click on create here at the top, and then you just select any of the templates here available. So I'll just select this one, or click through, whatever you want. Okay, now from here you can just look at the left side. You can add a lot of things here to your landing page. Okay, now you just need to customize your landing page using these options here. After that, you can just click on save, and then you're done. So let's just click on exit, and then as you can see, now I have my landing page here. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.